how to charge your power wheelchair so you get the most life out of it and you don't fuck it up. Power wheelchairs are generally built with a gel battery. Now this is different to the batteries that we're used to in power tools or in our phones, which is a lithium battery. Lithium batteries, you can do what you want. You can let them run dead, you can do short charges, whatever. Gel batteries, no. Gel batteries hate a short charge. So every time you charge it, you want to charge it overnight. If you're a daily user, that's pretty much the rule. Daily use, daily charge. Once you let it charge overnight, the chargers have a smart sensor in them where it knows it's at 100%, and then it'll just feed like a small trickle charge to make sure the batteries stay in that 100% state. Now these batteries love to be in this 100% state. They love to be charged and they hate being discharged. So you really want to avoid letting the chair sit at under 50%. Now some power wheelchair users might get their chair delivered and then 2 weeks later they might give you a call and say, hey, I'm not getting as much battery life out of this chair, it's brand new, what's going on? That's because the batteries need to break in. They need about 15 to 20 cycles to really get to their full capacity. To get the most life out of the battery, so generally batteries will last between 1 and 2 years, but if you want to get 2 to 4 years out of them, you're going to drive the chair as much as you can to get it as low as possible and then bring it back home and then put it back on charge. I don't often tell clients to break their batteries in because I don't want them going outside and trying to drive their chair out to when it gets to about 20% and then it cuts out and then they're stuck and then it's a whole big issue. I'd rather just say to people, keep it simple, daily use, daily charge. But if they really want to get the best life out of the batteries in the first 15 to 20 cycles, really try to run the battery as low as you can, but don't go too far where you can't go home and then put it back on charge. So that's it. Daily use, daily charge. Weekly use, weekly charge. Keep the batteries in a charged state. Don't leave the chair uncharged for a prolonged period of time. If you leave the chair uncharged, it will slowly drop its battery capacity and then it will go below 50 and then it will go dead, and then once it's dead, you can't charge it. And batteries are expensive. So if it's sitting in your garage at least once a week, give it an overnight charge, make sure the battery is in a nice healthy state and you'll be fine. Good luck with it.